So guys, here I am driving. As you can see, itong trailer na to na may kargang container van. Ewan ko kung bakit nakatagilid siya. But an advice for you para sa isang family driver na on the road with this kind of vehicle. So try not to get to this side. Kasi there's a possibility talaga na mag-tip off yan. You have options to stay at the back or you go on the left side para safe ka. Be careful guys. So if ever na gusto mong mag-overtake sa right side, you make it quick. So katulad sa kanya, you make it quick. Pero ako, I have my family with me, so I'll stay behind him. So ito rin guys, if you have the option, ito pag